y'all. Susie and Regina Adventures here on the Utopia, Deck 7, Cabin 504. Come check out our room tour.
Get that out of the way. Come on in. All right, once you come in the room, you go ahead and you have your restroom, your all-in-one body bath shampoo. You have a string on top to dry your clothes after the pool, and a nice little footrest for shaving your legs.
Nice.
Again, a brand new ship, very nice backsplash. I love it every time. And their storage here in the bathroom is just a little bit bigger than most ships. Very nice.
Got hooks right there for your towels. Oh, actually, I didn't see a hook. Oh, that's for the door. Oh, never mind.
Could be used as a hook.
So
anyway, this is an adjoining room, and we're actually going to utilize it for the first time because my sister and my dad are in this other room, and we're here celebrating his 84th birthday. Happy birthday, Dad. Thank you for your service. I'm at the military, not just raising 6 kids. So you got 2 decent-sized drawers down here. You're safe. Plenty of cubbies. A place to hang your clothes. A good place to keep your luggage is under the bed, out of the way. But this room is in the direct front of the ship and has plenty of space. You can put probably everyone's luggage over there. Nice little hooks on the wall. Put your hat, your lanyard. Decent sized TV. Each side of the bed has little cubbies and a baby drawer. Is that a drawer on the bottom or just 2 cubbies?
no, it's just 2 cubbies.
2 cubbies. Each light lamp has a plug and a USB.
It's kind of hard to see, but...
Turn the light on.
Oh, let's turn the light on, see if we can see it. There you go. You can see those. So back when we first started cruising, it was very hard to find plugs.
Yeah,
and
not so much.
Yeah, these ships have plenty of plugs.
There's a nice sized closet. Lots of hangers in there.
Lots.
Nice little couch. A work area with more plugs. That's a vanity light, right? Yeah.
Oops, my finger was in there.
Again, you want to get one of those European plugs to convert.
Yep.
And plug in more things. I turn the light on. So here you're going to have your blow dryer and the menu for the continental complimentary breakfast that you can have through room service. Decent sized drawers. And this is where your cooler is.
Yep.
And here is our front of the ship slanted window. And we were just informed that at 6 p.m. we have to close our blinds so our lights, when it gets dark, don't affect the bridge.
Because the bridge is somewhere over us.
Right above us.
And helicopter pad. Let's hope we don't see it here on this ship.
Be kind of cool though. All right, watch your head. All right, if you found this helpful and our tour of this cabin on Utopia of the Sea has been helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and share, subscribe, and if you go to the casino and you're into the bonuses, check out our other channel, Bonus Queens. So until next time, safe travels. Bye, y'all.
Like and subscribe, y'all.